Good morning, class 4. Welcome to this session. This is social science class children. In today's session, I am going to take Unit 2 Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. Before we going into this lesson, we want to know the learning objectives. Children will be able to know the physical features of Tamil Nadu. Locate mountain, plateau, plain and coastal regions in Tamil Nadu. Describe the features of mountains, plateaus, plains and coasts. Explain the types of forests found in Tamil Nadu. Let us learn about our state, children. Which is our state? Tamil Nadu is our state. It is located in the south of India. It is located in the south of India. It is the 11th largest state in India. It is the 11th largest state in India. It shares boundaries with, the boundaries of Tamil Nadu are Andhra Pradesh on the north, Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Karnataka on the northwest, Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. Look at the map given in your book, children. Tamil Nadu, the neighboring or the boundaries are Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. Tamil Nadu extends up to Kanyakumari, which forms the southernmost tip of India. Which is the southernmost tip of India? Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of India. It is a meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The Kanyakumari is a meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Look at the map, children. It is near Andhra Pradesh and Chennai. The Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Did you know, children, Tamil Nadu had 32 districts. How many districts? 32 districts. Recently, government announced 3 more districts, namely Kallakurichi, Chengalpattu and Tenkasi. These are the new districts added to the Tamil Nadu government. At present, 2019, there are 35 districts. At present, there are 35 districts. Do you know, children, the Madras Presidency, called as Tamil Nadu, comprised of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Odisha. Later in 1953, Telugu-speaking region of the state was split to form Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, in 1956, Malayalam and Kannada-speaking regions of the state were split into Kerala and Mysore. Let us learn the next topic, landscape of Tamil Nadu. What are the different landscape of Tamil Nadu, children? The different types of landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts. Mountains, plateaus, plains and coasts. First one, mountains. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which has both the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. They meet at the Nilagiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Thottapetta is the highest peak in Nilagiri Hills. Tamil Nadu has various hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Koli Hills, Kotagiri and Yerkadu Hills. The eastern Ghats do not get enough rainfall, unlike the western Ghats, which receives lots of rainfall. The plantations grown in these Ghats include tea, coffee and spices. Let me continue the lesson, children. Tamil Nadu has rich flora and fauna. What is the meaning of flora and fauna, children? The plants and the animals of an environment. Flora and fauna means the plants and the animals of an environment. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Anaimalai are in the western Ghats of the states. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Anaimalai are in the western Ghats of the state. There are a variety of plant species found in them. The Kurunji shrub is the most special of them all. Kurunji flowers blossom once in 12 years. Try to answer, children. Where do the western Ghats and eastern Ghats meet? The western Ghats and eastern Ghats meet at Nilagiri Hills. Name any two wildlife sanctuaries in the western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary and Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary. The second landscape of Tamil Nadu is plateaus. We say it in Tamil, Pida Bhumigal. There are 3 plateaus in Tamil Nadu, namely Baramagal, Bharamal, Baramagal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. There are many small hills between these plateaus. Chennimalai is one among those hills in Erode. The 3 plateaus are Baramagal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. The next landscape is plains. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. River, you know, children. Coastal plains mean coastal areas. River plains. Rivers Palar, Seyar, Pennar and Velar form the northern plains. These rivers, that is Palar, Cheyar, Pennar and Velar, forms the northern plains. The middle river plain is formed by Kaveri and its tributaries. River Vaigai and Tambrabarani form the southern plains. River Seyar is a tributary of river Palar. It is a seasonal river that flows through the district of Tiruvannamalai. Coastal plains. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Cholamandalam. The coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Cholamandalam plains, which extend from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Coast. Tamil Nadu has the third longest coastline in India. The coastal region extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Pamban Island forms a part of Ramanathapuram. It separates Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. 13 districts share the coastline. How many districts? 13 districts share the coastline. The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu are the beaches of Tamil Nadu. Marina Beach, the second longest urban beach in the world. Marina Beach is the second largest urban beach in the world. Rameswaram Beach is famous for its beautiful view. Kanyakumari Beach is famous for its beautiful views of sunrise and sunset over the water. Kanyakumari beach is famous for its beautiful views of sunrise and sunset over the water. Isn't it, no, children? Look at the page number 109. There a map is given, rivers and waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Rivers and waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Some rivers are given. Bhavani, Noyal, Kaveri, Velar, Vaigai, Tamrabarani. The falls or Hoginakal Falls is given. Look at the map, children. Coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, that is Kadalur, Nagapattinam, this Ramanathapuram, Thoothukudi, these are all some coastal areas, coastal regions, that we call it as coastal plains or Solamandalam plains. Did you know, children? The Pamban Bridge in Rameswaram is India's first sea bridge, opened in the year 1914. Pamban Bridge in Rameswaram is India's first sea bridge, opened in the year 1914. Droogs or steep rocks. Droogs or steep rocks. Rockford is a famous droog in Tiruchirappalli, that is in Tamil Nadu. That's all about this session, children. Let us continue the remaining part of the lesson, waterfalls of Tamil Nadu and climate of Tamil Nadu, in the next session. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.